Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI P10 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency contacts on this device. First of all, switch off your device's screen and turn it back on. Then swipe up and click on Emergency Call at the bottom left corner. Now tap on Emergency Information and tap on Add. Finally, enter your current login method. Scroll all the way down and choose Add Contact at the bottom. Now tap on the one that you wish to add and do exactly the same to all the other ones you need. In order to remove one of those contacts, select red icon next to the one that you wish to get rid of and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!